Anong masasabi nyo sa first sem ng fourth year ng buhay mo?
Easy. Super easy.
Wala.
Ang hirap, grabe.
Ano?
Kaliwa yung mga project.
Easy lang, mani-mani, at taas ng grade. For the first time, I have felt the support of the upper.
English.
Ano?
Ano daw?
Ako pala nakakasar kasi pinaulit yung mga ulo ko exam.
Weh.
Hindi ako maniwala.
Hindi naman talaga eh. Joke lang. Ikaw, ay may may nakatanggap ng 1 way kanina.
For the first time, I have felt the support of the administration of the accounting department.
Iyak ka na. Ikaw.
I can relate to for the martial arts regards with
Next question. Anong...
for me to talk in English because I'm bleeding. I love this one. I love this one. Did you see this? Now look at this.
Wait. Focus.
Daw yung pangalan. Ako na.
What are you expecting to come this second sem and last sem of your life? Being a student.
Mahirap. May OJT na ako.
Hindi ko alam. Baka di ako mapag-enroll eh. Bakit naman? Balik mo dun.
Wala. Sa bahay. Sa bahay.
Bakit hindi ka naman makakapag-enroll?
Ikaw na left.
Balik mo dun. Eh kasi hindi ko alam. Pero may OJT na ako.
Ikaw. Hoy, answer.
For anything else, thank you, sir, for the sponsorship.
Ibo.
Ram, I think it will be
Why are you
to the effort.
speaking?
To the effort. And I would like to thank this also for because there is a review and I don't I want to pass.
Kala ko malaman kumain na kayo.
Akala ko ito pa.
Ikaw. Expecting this sem of time pressure.
Thank you also for
Gusto ko rin yan. Wala na? Ingitin niyo si Zonel. Zonel.
Hindi pa kasi ako nandiyan sa girls. No.
Ikaw. May nagsaselos.